Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the bar stitch. Remember, a lot of these I got from a Portuguese website, so I'm not really sure how they translate into English. That's just what the Google Translator gave me. But the bar stitch, this is what it looks like if it's stretched out. The front and back are the same, and it's a fairly thick stitch. This would be a great stitch for stuff you want to make that's really warm. Okay, so how we do this, we got our slip knot cast on. So we're going to start with peg 1 at the top, go to peg 3 at the bottom, to peg 4 at the top, and we're going to go down peg 6 at the bottom, and you're just going to do that. You're skipping after you got it started. Do this one, go down, skip 2, do 1, skip 1, do 1, skip 2, do 1, and you're skipping 1. So you're going to have 2 in between each set all the way down. And now this is just part 1 of row 1. Now what we're doing is we're going back and we're picking up everything that we didn't get. So all the empty pegs you see, you just go up and down and get them all. So that is row 1. Now to finish your cast on, we have to do row 2, which is just part 1 and 2 of row 1 again. They're both the same. Remember, when you do it, you make sure you're skipping 2 between each on the top and the bottom. And now we just go up and we pick up all the ones that we missed the first time around. And there you go. Now this one, this is your cast on. So from here you'll just take the bottom loops, pull over the tops. There's only 2 loops on each peg, so the bottom one will go over the top. You'll push it down, and then you'll just continue from there. Thank you. Oh, here, if you want to pause this, here's the card.